Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable Threads account push notifications. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to pause or enable push notifications on your Threads account, log into your account and then go to your profile icon down below here. And here you should see we have these two lines. Tap on them to access your settings page. Under settings, you should see notifications. If you tap on this, now under these notifications, you can see under push notifications, they have all been enabled. If you want to pause all of them, then you just toggle on this pause all. So I'll toggle it on and you can choose after how long should they be paused. So I can say maybe after 15 minutes, 1 hour, or even 2 hours or more. So let me choose 15 minutes. Now this means after 15 minutes, all the push notifications will be paused. You can also change settings for push notifications on threads and replies. If you go here, you can control how they should be sent to you. You can also do the same for following and followers, custom feeds, and many more. So other notifications that you can do this is email notifications. So that's how you can enable or disable push notifications on Threads app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.